Hi, Gavin. You playing in the water? Oh, you don't have to drink out of the hose. Look, there's the water bottle. See it up there? It's in back of you. Can you sit down and do splash, 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 splash? Splash, 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 splash? Yeah? Splash, 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 splash. Whoa! Woo! Okay, sit down. Sit on your bum bum. Sit down and go splash, 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 splash. Yeah? Does that feel better? Kick! Kick, 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 kick. Gavin. Gavin. See the water bottle? Look up. Look up. There's your water. Look up. Over there. Look where Grandma's finger is going. Over there. You going in? Woo! Right there. Look. Water. Guess you're not getting it. You're going to get in the pool and splash? Good job. Now sit down. Sit down. Good job. Splash, 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 splash. What a good boy. Ah, you don't have to drink out of that. Goofy head. You're such a boy. Do you feel better now you're outside? We couldn't come out because it was too hot, huh?